Marhaban from Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making Moroccan cookies with apricot jam we made in the last video, and we're going to dunk them in organic shredded coconut to give them a Christmassy feel. That's the recipe anyway, that's why I thought of using them for Christmas too. Not everyone likes cake, so make a batch of these for those picky guests. Ingredients are 3 large eggs, 1 cup olive oil, 1 cup erythritol sugar substitute, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, alcohol free, 400 grams unbleached white baker's flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder aluminium free, a splash of sea salt, 200 grams shredded unsweetened coconut, 1 jar homemade apricot jam. Use the one we made in another video or use any flavor you like. If you put it in the fridge it will go hard, but place it in a bowl of cold water and it will melt quickly. And about 3 tablespoons orange blossom. Make the cookie dough. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 360 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius and grab a large baking tray, placing a sheet of baking paper on it, then set aside for now. Step 2. In your dough mixer bowl, beat together the eggs, oil, sweetener, vanilla until smooth and thick. Then spoon any mixture residue of the plastic attachment and remove it, placing it onto a paper towel. Then place a large sifter onto the dough mixer bowl and sift the flour, baking powder and sea salt and mix until it forms a soft, slightly sticky dough that can be shaped. If you feel the dough is too soft and sticky, you can add 1 tablespoon of flour, but don't add too much flour, the dough may become too stiff. This is the texture you want, sticky but fairly easy to shape. Step 3. Now set the prepared shredded coconut aside with the homemade apricot jam and orange blossom, and place the baking tray to be filled with the dough. Step 4. Shape the dough into small balls. Don't worry if they look rough, they should shape while baking. I use 2 spoons for this step, it's the easiest way. If you do it with your hands you'll lose dough because it's too sticky. Then place them on the baking sheet, allowing enough space between each cookie. Maybe I made my ones too big, but the aim is to get one side flat and they'll do it by themselves while baking. Step 5. Bake the cookies in the middle of the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly golden. Step 6. Remove the baking tray when they're ready. Place the biscuits carefully on a cooling rack. They will be soft, so handle with care. You want the base to be cooked well, like so. Then add a second tray and repeat until there's no more dough left. The cookies should form half circles after they're baked, so we can dip the flat side in the garnish. Step 7. Here's my cookie batches. The first one is cooked right, but it looks too light for my liking. The second batch is bigger and cooked a nicer colour. When the cookies have cooled enough so you can handle them with your hands, begin the garnish. Have the shredded coconut ready. Place the apricot jam in a mixing bowl with the orange blossom. Stir until well combined. Step 8. I struggled using a knife and the shredded coconut wouldn't stick to the cookies, so I found a fix that makes it much easier. And the cookies remind me of those Arnott's Montclair biscuits, or Monte Carlo. You know which ones I'm talking about, the chunky cookie with the sticky inside. They used to be my favourite with a cup of coffee, until I found out I was eating chemical poison. Just because it tastes good does not mean it's healthy for you. But now my recipes are healthier than that high priced chemical crap, so you can enjoy them too without worrying about cholesterol or high blood pressure. Here's the fix. Grab 2 small teaspoons and 2 cookies around the same size. Place 1 scoop of jam in the center of 1 cookie, then grab the other spoon and place shredded coconut on top. Put it down, grab the other cookie side and spoon jam in the center again, then press the 2 sides down gently, allowing it to ooze to the edges, and boom. You have your very own Monte Carlo cookie without the chemicals and additives. If you don't like jam, just make plain ones, or put peanut butter to enjoy with tea or coffee, or as an after dinner dessert, or make a collagen protein cream dip. Serve and enjoy. Be seeing you.